John Van Deelen, New Zealand, Sotheby's International, in Palmerston North, Hokowhitu, in fact, very near the Hokowhitu Village, number 72, Pahiatua Street. Architecturally designed, 2010 build, an alfresco dream, double glazed, fabulous indoor-outdoor flow. You'll see it as you walk through this property and get a beautiful flavour. But 1,200 square metres of absolute stunning gardens and beautiful setting, that's what you're buying. Bird life is everywhere. Now, one of the great things about this property, apart from being one level, sun-drenched, double internal access garaging and a one level, very superior indoor-outdoor flow type of house. 3 bedrooms in the home, of course, 3 living spaces and, well, a workshop. There it is, attached to the house. Now it's a sizable workshop currently used for the current owner, who's a wood maker, a wood turner. Well, it can be anything. It can be more bedrooms, it can be a rumpus room, it can be a self-contained flathead, it can be anything. This is great real estate. Let's have a little wander through. Well, here we are, number 72 Pahiatua Street. The grand piano fits, the lovely furnishings fit, an architecturally designed. Bruce Barry did a masterpiece here at this property. It's a gorgeous flow indoor-outdoor. You've seen how it feels, but you've got to be into this home to really feel it. So call Michelle or myself very quickly. It's something special.